The secret to wholesaling real estate. Guys, this is Rick again. In this video, I'm going to break down the word called secret and what you need to know of how it applies to wholesaling. I'm going to teach you why the word is used, and most importantly, at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you how to avoid the pitfalls of using the word secret in your wholesaling business. But before I get into it, do me a favor, make sure you smash that like button. You hit that subscribe button to continue to receive the best information on wholesaling today. So let's first start out by using the definition of a secret. And I wrote it down. I put it on my notes right here so I could quote it word for word. And it's not known or seen, not meant to be known or seen by others. Oh my God. Is that crazy? The bottom line is something that you don't want everybody to know. Let me ask you this. Why do people keep using the word, I have a secret technique in wholesaling I want to share with you? Guys, a secret is a secret for a reason. When people tell you, I have a secret to tell you, you have to question the integrity of what you're about to hear. Now, we've all come across secrets in our life, and a true secret goes from ear to ear. It never goes on the internet. And when it does, it's usually a really bad thing, and people get hurt, people get destroyed, families get crushed, businesses get ruined, and secrets are just what they're supposed to be. They're supposed to remain a secret. Here's the key ingredient I want you to think about. Why would somebody share a secret in regards to wholesaling? I'm going to tell you the truth of why they're going to do it. Because secret gets everybody so excited and like, oh my God, I got this new secret. I'm going to share it with the world. If you truly had an incredible secret, you would keep it a secret. I'm sorry. Listen, why do you think they sold secret gold maps? Guys, it was much easier to sell the picks, axes, shovels, and maps than it was to go out and actually find the gold. And this is the problem we're having in wholesaling. Everybody has a secret to sell you. Secrets are a secret for a reason, a very protected strategy that someone is dominating in their market, like just crushing it. They just don't share it. It's so secret and it took so much money and so much time. Why would they share that secret? Because the minute it gets out, it no longer functions as a secret. So let's break down why you keep hearing the word secret in wholesaling. I'm going to tell you right up front, the reality of when you hear the word secret, it's nothing more than a gimmick. It's a trick to suck you in some sort of sales technique, and it's going to magically solve a problem you have going on in your mind because they've done a lot of research on it. And if this so-called entrepreneur can solve a lot of problems by selling you a secret in wholesaling, they are going to make a ton of money. That's it. Here's the reality. When a gimmick gets sold, it's extremely temporary. Even if it's a legitimate secret and they share it, if you got sold on a wholesaling secret and you utilize it and it actually worked, I promise you, it's going to come to a fast end. How do I know this? Because so many people are going to utilize it. It's going to saturate it. People are going to legislate against it, and they're going to shut it down. And here's the problem we have with the secrets in wholesaling is if you buy into enough secrets, and God knows they'll sell you enough secrets on wholesaling, you have to stay on that hamster wheel and you got to keep buying secrets over and over. How do I know this? I've been doing wholesaling for 21 years. The amount of secrets I've bought is exhausting. And here's the reality. Every secret I bought, the ones that actually worked, which is maybe 1 out of 30, it only lasted a tiny short time. And then the problem is I tried to buy every other secret after it, thinking I could stay on this hamster wheel, only to find out, here's the truth of it. There are no secrets in wholesaling. It takes hard work. You actually have to talk to people. You have to have amazing conversations, and you got to work leads like there's no tomorrow, and you got to have a ton of quantity. That's not a sexy secret that's going to sell. So I don't care. We're in 2023. I can rattle off 5 secrets I see all over the internet. I saw one the other day. You ready for this? So you know AI is coming out. This is the new secret. You guys know it's not a secret, but now they have a secret way you can use AI where not only are they going to find your leads, they're going to call and contact all your leads, and they're going to close them for you. You just sit back and cash it all in. This is the secret. If you want to buy it, someone's going to sell it. Now, the reality is people buy this stuff all day long. It's never going to stop. 21 years, guys, it has never stopped. Please take my word for it. There is absolutely no secrets in wholesaling. And if someone's trying to lure you into a program based on a secret, run as fast as you humanly can. You're being played. You're smarter than this. I hate the word secret. Now, I've used use secrets in my business, they always end. End of story. That's how it works in this business. The reality is you don't need secrets in wholesaling. You need strong guidance and you need strategies that have proven over time to work and work again. You know why? Because they never go away. Once you learn that skill set, it's with you for a lifetime. If you get on the hamster wheel of like buying into the next secret, it's a full-time job. It's much more than a full-time job and you can never get off of it. So let's talk about how we can filter through secrets. Number one, avoid them. But what do you really need to be successful in wholesaling, Rick, if you can't sell me a secret? Let me share it with you. You see, buying a wholesaling secret from someone that has very little experience in the business, has never time tested the data, you are being sucked into a gimmick. And once you understand and realize that, that's perfect. Here's what you need. Make sure you get your advice, preferably not secrets, from experienced people in the business. It's up to you to determine experience. It's not my job to tell you. My recommendation, honestly, I think people got to walk 10 miles, which means 10 years in this business. That's right. I'm telling you, 10 years goes by like that. And why should you take instruction from someone that just did a couple deals or has a trick or two, 1 or 2 years? The problem is without the experience, they don't have the wisdom and they have no idea how long this secret's going to last. And then once that strategy's over, they got to go back and reinvent another secret. And they're going to put you on this ridiculous conveyor belt and you're not going to be able to get off. So how do we avoid it? Number one, experience. Deep dive, ask questions. How many deals have you done? How long have you been doing this business? And why should I trust you going forward? Guys, there has been a long run in wholesaling where people were teaching you crypto. Unbelievable. You got to be kidding me. It has nothing to do with real estate. We had people teaching how to do FBO Amazon stores. Most of them they've all been shut down. That little secret trick, people have gotten so much money taken from them. They've been stolen from. Guys, it all centers around these ridiculous secrets. People try to tell you, oh, we can do, I can make you a day trader. You'll never regret it. Once again, there's no secrets. It doesn't work. That's why you're being sold a secret, so they can get in your back pocket, give you a gimmick, make you feel good, and then just take your money, and it's never going to work out. And then you got to go find the next secret. Let's just stop doing it. The reality is a secret that is sold to you will cease to exist because once it becomes public, it's not a secret. It's a gimmick. It doesn't work. So the best way to protect you is number one, experience. Number two, make sure the person's active in the wholesaling business today. They can do a lot of other things, fix some flips. I don't care. But I want to know they are actively connected to wholesaling because wholesaling is a business. It's not a real estate strategy. It is a business. It is a legitimate business that makes a ton of money. So why would you take advice from someone that's running, say, an FBO Amazon store, who's constantly pitching you on crypto, telling you to go day trade stocks? This person's looking for the fastest score they can humanly get. Guys, I get pitched all the time on government programs where you're entitled to money because of pandemic issues. I'm sick of this stuff. They're all one-hit wonders. Here's the secret, guys. There's no secrets in wholesaling. You need people with the experience, with the wisdom, with the proven ability, and the business model. They've been in the business, and it's up to you. If you just go through all those checkpoints I give you, you don't have to buy into the BS of the secrets. The truth is, anyone trying to tell you a secret, it's not a secret because secrets are meant to keep quiet. So what you need to do is get loud. You need to vet these people, find people that are authentic, that truly want to help you out. And it's up to you who you want to work with. But the human nature is a secret feels like you have an advantage over someone. And the reality is you are being taken of and you are the one being taken advantage of. Don't let it happen anymore. Do the tried true methods because they work the most. There was a huge example of people like go huge on the data, get 30, 50,000 pieces of data, skip trace it, hire an entire team to cold call it. You guys are going to kill it. Well, that got out. It doesn't work anymore. It's too expensive. You're never going to make those numbers work. Why? Because someone sold you a secret. Guys, stop buying into the secret crap. It doesn't work. And you can even go watch the video called The Secret, which was done in like early 2000. I gotta be honest with you, that doesn't work either. You know what? Because that's a wish list. So I hear the word secret thrown around like it's just this magic potion in wholesaling. And if you understand it's a gimmick and it's meant to separate your wallet from your back pocket, what you need to do is tried, true, effective methods that work from an established wholesaler with a lot of experience that is actively doing deals today. And if you do that, you never ever have to get on the secret hamster wheel. Secrets don't last once they're revealed. So if you buy into it, you're buying a temporary fix and you're going to have to go out and figure it again. So guys, please share in the comments. Give me the latest secret you've been offered in wholesaling. I've seen wholesaling 2.0. I've seen novations. I'll show you how to sell your wholesale deals to retail profit. Guys, all those loopholes are being closed out because it's not wholesaling. It's a trick. It's a shortcut, and shortcuts never last. Listen, become a marathon runner, bypass the sprinters, because the sprinters always give up and they never make it to the finish line. I want you to be a marathon runner. Let me know in the comments of what secrets you've been sold or what secrets you've seen, and let's share it and rip the lid off of this. And guys, if you got value from this video, do me a favor, make sure you smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. This is Rick Ginn, and I'll see you in the next video. See you guys.